Alright guys, we have one little pine and we have few pieces of ginger. Them say the ginger are really strong, so I just wash them really good. And we're gonna peel a pine here. And then my sister got this one, alright? And I'm gonna use some of it. It's like sweet and it was in the freezer. So I'm gonna use some of that to sweeten it instead of the sugar. I'll be back. Alright guys, my pineapple is in, and as you know, at night outside, I put a few pieces of ginger. Now watch how them dark, I wash them really good. Them can peel them too a little bit. Alright. We're gonna blend and then we strain. And then we add that. Alright guys, that's it. Country cooking, country lifestyle. Nighttime now. We're gonna strain it and I'm gonna add some of that. Okay. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna strain this bad boy. Ooh. It gave way. That's okay, me have to go strain it again. You see it, Rich? We should have put it right here, so like that. So we should have did it. We can hold it down close to it now. We should have not do that anymore. Yeah. We should have catch it funny because that give way. Alright guys. Hold it back. Alright guys, what you can do again, fill up with the water, not too far. And rinse out this left. You light parry. You have to work it. Just hold it up so. Two things you have to work at once now. Alright. It's strong, you know? The ginger really strong parry. You have to go strain it.
I thought you my ginger.
Rinse it out. Alright guys, we're just gonna strain it one more time because we never strained well before. That's right. Not much. Alright. Come over here, son. Okay. Alright guys, we're just gonna pour it in here now. It's very rich for it and it's strong. The pineapple rich. I mean, I'll show the jerks. I'm gonna put a little bit more water because it's strong. Alright guys, we just gonna make sure full up it so I can stretch for everybody. And then I'm gonna add a big spoon. And then I'm gonna add some of this. What do you call it? It's Monster of mixes. So it's strawberry. It's like a tequila mix, margarita mix. I'm gonna put a little. It's sweet. Ooh, did me put too much? Sorry, I'm gonna make it tasty. Hold your hand. Tasty if we have too much. Want sugar? Want some more sugar? It's fresh. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit more and then I'm going to put some sugar. Mandev said, guys, it's fresh, so I'm going to put a little bit more and then I'm going to add like a little bit of sugar too, right? Look over this here, see sugar. Come put a little bit in it. In a puppy. So we have strawberry mix with pineapple. I'm going to put some little bit of brown sugar because inside fresh. Put a little, like 2. Put look at you now, put it.
No, I think
Alright, stop now. About 2 tablespoons. Come mix it part. Take a spoon and mix. Go sideways with your hand. Yeah, alright, go and mix it. Mix it down in it, man. Go on down.
Yeah.
The spoon not long enough. You know. There. Take a spoon. Hold it. You hold it like me mix it. Hold it like. Yeah, we like to just turn it. Hold up it like high. Oh, we're just gonna serve it now over some crushed ice. Taste it if you want more. Still fresh? Hold it like, hold it for one taste. I don't want it too sweet. I don't love sweet too.
You see?
Yeah, I want more sugar. You need to put no sugar, man. Alright, that's it. Now put some more. Alright, go put. Alright guys, put a little bit more sugar. Wait. Alright, pineapple black. It's like pineapple. I must get a bite up my foot, you know. Alright guys, we're gonna serve it over some crushed ice. Taste it now, we must can pass now. Now put no more sugar. Look a bit better. Alright, we're gonna serve it over some crushed ice and we're gonna share with some food. And we'll be back. Set this in our fridge. Alright guys, juice almost done. And this is how it's looking. Just put up a big glass. Oopsie. And that's it there guys. Alright guys, that's it.